Choose your life. Choose to live it. Choose a purpose. Choose working with the Choose training your own agents. Choose a digital twin that actually knows you, gets you. Choose a self you can build, worlds you can shape from nothing. Choose to turn it all into a game, just to make it playable. Choose your own algorithms. Choose to build instead of scroll. Choose to make things that pay. Choose not waiting, not asking, not pretending. Choose knowledge as currency. Choose work that carries your name. Choose platforms where it matters, where empathy still counts. Choose a VR that doesn't escape life, it upgrades it. Choose tools that think back, robot co-workers, systems with opinions. Choose a memory that doesn't forget, a palace of everything you've learned, everything you've made. Choose to share it, libraries, galleries, sparks that spread. Choose to raise companies like they're alive. Choose to clone ideas, breed brands, retire failures with grace. Choose evolution on purpose. Choose access over distraction, creation over consumption. Choose responsibility for everything you make, good or bad. Choose knowing when to let go. Choose to measure your time like it means something. Choose the horsemen, not as fear, but as advisors. Choose optimism.